yeah, it's big. It's a size 44 and it's for a guy. So that's that for that. So this is a Puma Roma basic. It's a size 45 and it's white and black, as you can see. So it was on sale too on their website. So what can I say about this pair of sneakers? It's actually nice, and yeah, here's the sole. You have Puma encrusted underneath the sole, and for the inside, I don't know if you can see this, you have Puma written on it as well. That's it on both sides, and here too you have a gold Puma logo on this side. So, and I love the cutout here at the back. It's actually pretty. And the side here, you know, the usual, you know, Puma swoosh. This is how it goes, and it's pretty. And yes, inside, you know, they have the small paper here. You know, he has textile, the size, and some details about the shoe in, you know, printed on it. What I actually love about the sneakers is that it looks more like a football boot or like a training boot. I don't know, that is my opinion, but I love the way this, you know, part, you know, I love the way this part is cut out. Like, there's something about Puma design, like there's always a trick about it. I don't know if you observed that, like the way this comes round to this side and it forms a kind of U-cursive thingy. It's actually nice, and I love this black cuts, you know, that comes all the way from here and then move to the, you know, like this is, it helps you clean this part of your sneaker clean, because the black there is there, the black is there to protect the white surface, and this actually looks really nice. Here you have the Puma Roma written on it in gold, like luxury, baby. So this actually looks good for the cost, and I love the shoe. It's nice, it's neat, and it's well made, and the leather quality is actually good as well. The insole is not that, yeah, it's there, but it's not as the other soft foam, you know, the new Puma soft foam kind of sole. It's not bad, it's comfortable, but not as comfortable as the other ones with the soft foam. And here, yeah, and the quality of the shoelace is mad. I've been buying, you know, loads of sneakers, but I've not actually seen one with this quality of shoelace. This is actually nice. I wish you can actually touch it and feel what I'm talking about. Yeah, so yeah, I forgot to show this to you. Yeah, that's it. I don't know if this is obvious, but that looks good. I love, you know, the detail and all that. And here too, the size detail, and then the number, it's here. And guys, if you're new to this channel and you're still watching this, please click on the subscribe button. We love to have a part of our DIY family and our unboxing family as well. I'm already a subscriber. I love you so much, and I appreciate your support. And don't forget to check out our previous posts